Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today's video is going to be about how to create a simple stay-at-home look. So it's the look that I'm wearing. It'll take you no longer than 10 minutes to do. So let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and that way you don't miss out on any videos. All right, so let me just start by saying that, do I put makeup on every day? No. There are days where I do not. But when I do get dressed, like if you follow me on Instagram, you saw Matt and I went down to the lake. I did have makeup on. So today though, we're gonna talk about how I got this look and some shortcuts, even with the false eyelashes, some shortcuts that I go ahead and take. All right guys, as sometimes things happen, I filmed a portion of this video and at least I thought I did, and apparently the camera wasn't on because I went to edit and I was like, so, if it seems a little bit weird, I tried to put the same thing on, my robe and hair. Well, I have my hair like this anyways. I calculated it out that this look literally takes 10 minutes. So, because I have eyebrows that are already shaped, I can just take, this is the Estee Lauder. I use this more to darken as I have my hair done, and then I'll just take a spoolie and just pop them up. One of the things that I do use, the Estee Lauder Eyeshadow Primer. I love this because, and the reason I consider it part of a simple day is because it gives a nice base, it hides the imperfections, and it just has this, just a little bit of coloring so that it just sort of smooths everything out, hides the redness and things like that. If you'll notice, I don't have my nails on in this section. I took them off yesterday. I'm gonna give my nails a rest before I go into the dip, so I'm probably gonna not have anything on for about a week, maybe 2 depending. I wanna heal these puppies because they've been through quite a bit with my taking the acrylic off and all that. So I'm gonna use the Tati palette. You know I love this. I'm gonna go ahead and use Soothe in the Matte, which is this really nice light brown tan shade. And I'm just gonna go high up on the brow bone, that's all. You know, I've done this before. I love this color, and it's a great transition color. And I just go high up, and then I'm gonna take the same brush, I'm telling you, this is super easy. I'm gonna go into Ritual, which is the dark brown. And I'm going to just go then in the crease, and then a little bit on the outer corner. Now, you could truly stop here. You could. But I like a little bit of shimmer. And this is a very minor shimmer. This is just the sequin right here under Aura. And so I'm just gonna take a little on my finger and I'm just gonna pop it right along the inner corner, pretty much all the way to the middle of the eye. And I just think it just brightens it a little bit. And it took 2 seconds. I mean, it's 3 colors, really. I didn't even put anything at the top, you know, of the brow bone or anything like that's not necessary. I'm gonna blend this out, but I'm gonna do it at a different point. So I am gonna use a primer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This is my favorite. But I like this for a variety of reasons. 1, it's awesome for the pores. 2, it just feels good going on. And you know, we need to pamper ourselves right now. And then I am going to use the Estee Letta Hydra foundation. I love this. I use a pump of 2N1 and 3W1. It sort of is, you know, the best of both worlds. I could get away with probably 2N1 and just do a little bit. I just put on the back of my hand and do just a little bit of extra bronzing, but I have both of them because I didn't know. And probably as summer comes and we're allowed to, you know, actually go outside. I mean, I go outside because I live in the country, but And then I take, you know, my favorite tool is the Tati blendable. She better not ever stop making this. Seriously, I'd be so mad. I love these things. I have 3 of them, and they are my favorite for foundation and for contour. What makes it great, just want a quick 5-minute makeup, is this is so much faster than a beauty blender. I'm not going to use contour. I normally would contour, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use one product to contour, to bronze, and to blush, and that is the Milani. So this is a shortcut. This is the Silky Matte in Suntan 03. I really love this. This is becoming a favorite because it's a really natural looking bronzer, especially for this time of the year because I'm pale. I haven't started, there is no reason right now to start self-tanning. What I'm doing is, let me just say, is that I contour, so I'll put it like under my cheekbones, I put it under my jawline. I don't have to do this. If you don't want to do this part, don't do it. But it's another, what, 10 seconds of your life? You know what I mean? It's like, it's 10 seconds. So this is a great, you know, some people still have to work from home. Some people are Skyping or Zooming or whatever the heck they are doing. So I like this look, and it's fast. It's less than 10 minutes. You know, I talk, so it takes a little bit longer. I'm going to put the Estee Lauder liner under the waterline, up on top of, God, the upper waterline, and this is in coffee. And again, it's one of those things that I think is like having crown molding. It just, you know, finishes a look, looks great. Now, here's the thing, y'all. All right, here's where we're gonna get into the fact that I'm gonna use false eyelashes, and you're gonna say, well, how is that simple? You're right. For me, I have no eyelashes, so there's a couple ways of doing something. Because I don't have eyelashes, I can, in order to make them look like I have eyelashes, I go ahead and have to curl, prime, and put mascara on. Well, if I'm gonna do all 3 of those steps, I might as well just throw a lash on, because that's all I have to do with these ones. These are the Ardell Demi Whispies. Love them, like seriously love them. I love the shape. They have an invisible band, so I don't have to line. So I'm literally just going to take the eyelash. The idea is you just, you know, throw some glue on, wait 30 seconds, and pop it on. Honestly, I know these fit, by the way, otherwise I would have adjusted them, but they fit very, very well. The other thing about these I like is that they're shorter on the inner corner, and then as they go out, they lengthen, which is the way like a natural lash looks, in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Sometimes my tweezers, they want to stick. I have this little tool here that came with one of the lash sets, but you don't need it. Because if you have one of these, which everyone does, you know, where that has a little brush on one end and a spoolie on the other, and you're like, what do I do with that? This is what you do with it. You push it down. Now I'm gonna leave it. It's not exactly how I want it yet, but I'm gonna leave it to dry. And that didn't take long. Now I'm gonna do this one without talking, and I'm gonna actually see how long it takes. And then go in with the little brush. And bam. Now, that took 1 minute and 15 seconds, and that is 30 seconds of having to wait. Take a little mascara. Perfection is in the eye I have tried putting it on beforehand. No way. And all I'm doing is getting my lashes. And then, there's a couple ways of doing this, but I'm gonna just do it this way, and then when I do the video, I just have one of these little, and I crimp them together. And just hit a little concealer, seriously a tiny bit. Now normally, if you've watched me, you know that I would conceal. I would put some concealer down my nose and on my forehead. This is a simple look. So one of the things I love is I pat along the tear trough to bring light to dark, and then I just gently go across what's left against the eye. I told you that I was gonna go ahead and blow out or blend out the eye at this point. This is when I do it, when I have everything pretty much done, then I blend it out to give it that soft effect. And then I'll take, because I did just put on concealer under my eye, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the bronzer and just hit that area. The under eyes, simple, one color. Take Ritual, which is that dark brown, and with like one swipe, and then just match it up, because that's what's on the outer corner up above, and then just blend it out a little. I do want to clean up because I do the eyeliner. I do gently just clean up, and it only takes a second. I think it's gonna take 5 seconds, and it's gonna make something look better. I'm gonna do it. I mean, a little bit of mascara. Actually, before I do my hair, I am gonna do one thing, and I'm gonna just set, right? Just the little pore area, the pore area, there, where my pores are, just to finish it off. And then if you wanted, you don't have to, no. But honestly, I don't set it for it to last all day because I'm at home. I set it because it feels good. It really does. So I'm not gonna put any highlighter on, even though I really, really want to, because I love my Figs and Rouge highlighter. That's my new thing. All right, so hair done. Took me 5 minutes. Bare Instinct, that's what we're gonna use, and it's a great natural nude. So this would be my stay-at-home, honestly, look. Now that I've been playing with false eyelashes for probably 6 weeks, they're just so easy to get on once you've practiced enough. And I just love the look of them, looking in the mirror. And honestly, if I'm gonna go through the hassle of curling my lashes, putting primer, and then putting mascara on, I might as well just go ahead and put on lashes, and they look great and they will last all day. And they're not gonna smudge or anything, you know, because they're just there and you take them off at night. They're super simple. Anyways, this is kind of my everyday stay at home, you know, run to the grocery store. I don't go to the grocery store, but if I did, this is the makeup that I would wear. So just really simple and easy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.